Hello friends, how are you all? I hope everyone is doing very well. So friends, today's new video content is about how to customize the Windows 11 lock screen, meaning how we can customize the lock screen of Windows 11. So without delay, let's start the video. First, you need to come to the Start option in Windows. Click on this Start option. After clicking, you will see an interface like this. Then you need to click on Settings. Then when you scroll down a bit, you will find an option called personalize. You need to click on personalize. After scrolling a little, you will find an option called lock screen here. You have to click on this lock screen. After clicking, an interface like this will appear in front of you. Here you can set a personal lock screen to your liking, or you may choose not to include a picture by dragging it. That's up to you. You will find three options here. You can select whichever one you prefer. Okay, then you will set the lock screen status here. You can leave mail here, calendar here, the home here, weather and more. It's up to you. I have selected the mail here. You do it like this. Here at the bottom you will see screen timeout. Select these according to your preference. So this way we can customize Windows 11's lock screen like this. So friends, if you like this video, then do give a like, subscribe and share to the channel.